It happens every day. A senior walks into a clinic complaining about weakness, and the doctor gives the same predictable answer. That's just age. But what if that simple sentence is the biggest reason seniors stay weak, not the aging itself? Because the truth is, many adults over 50 are losing strength not from age, but from something completely different. And this is the part doctors rarely mention. It isn't actually aging that steals your strength. It's a hidden chain reaction inside your body that you can influence. Once seniors understand this, many start feeling stronger, steadier, and more energetic, sometimes within weeks. So stay with me, because once you hear this root cause explanation, the rest of your fitness journey will suddenly make sense. Here's the real culprit. Your muscles stop receiving the signals they need to stay alive. Think of your muscles like a neighborhood. If the electrical lines go weak, every house slowly shuts down. That's exactly what happens when your nervous system, hormones, and circulation get out of sync. Your muscles aren't old. They're underfed, underactivated, and undersignaled. And this is why some seniors who barely exercise stay strong, while others lose strength even when they try. It's not effort. It's not age. It's missing signals. Now here's where things get exciting, because there are natural ways to switch those signals back on, and none of them require a gym, machines, or fancy supplements. Strategy number 1 may surprise you, because it's something most people do wrong. The first strategy is slow tension training. This simply means squeezing your muscles gently and slowly, instead of doing fast movements. Why does it work? Because slow tension sends a clear, strong message to your nervous system: wake this muscle up, keep it alive. Fast movements skip this step. That's why they don't build strength for seniors. Here's the safe way to use it. Lift or push your arms or legs for 4 seconds. Pause, then lower for 4 seconds. Even if you're sitting in a chair, 2 or 3 minutes is enough. And here's the bonus. This method may help your joints feel better because it avoids impact. The second strategy might be even more powerful. Strategy 2, protein timing. Most seniors eat protein, but at the wrong time. Your muscles respond the most within a 30-minute window after you move your body. So if you take a little walk or do your slow tension routine, that's the perfect moment to have eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Why does this work? Because your muscles act like a sponge right after movement. If you feed them then, you may absorb more nutrients and maintain more strength with less effort. This one shift alone has helped many older adults feel firmer and steadier in just a few weeks. The third strategy is one seniors usually overlook, even though it may transform balance and energy. Strategy 3, micro strength bursts. These are tiny 20 to 30-second strength moments spread through your day. For example, standing up from your chair without using your hands, slowly lifting your grocery bag, or doing a wall push-up while waiting for your kettle to boil. Why does this help? Because your brain loves repetition. Short bursts repeated throughout the day may help rebuild the nerve signals that keep muscles active. Think of it like switching the lights back on, one room at a time. And here's a helpful variation for seniors with knee or back pain. Do your microbursts seated. Press your heels into the floor, tighten your thighs, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. You're still strengthening the same chains of muscles, just without pressure on the joints. Now, before we wrap up, there's one major idea I want you to take away. You are not too old to build strength. You simply need the right signals at the right moments in the right way. Your muscles were designed to respond at any age. If you want a simple, senior-friendly plan that walks you through this step by step, check out our Muscle Revival Blueprint, 30 Days to Reverse Age-Related Muscle Loss Naturally. It's linked below the video, and it's the best place to start if you want daily guidance, low-impact exercises, protein timing help, and at-home routines. And before you go, if you want your digestion to improve alongside your strength, watch the video showing on your screen right now. The foods in that video may help your energy and muscle recovery too. Now I'd love to hear from you. What part of your body do you want to strengthen the most? Legs, arms, or core?